Hey guys, welcome back to Antrix Media. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic that I know you'll all enjoy. We're going to talk about the 10 things that drive women wild. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to know how to turn on a woman and make her go crazy for you, then you're in the right place. There are a lot of things that can make a woman go wild, and some of them might surprise you. It's not all about looks and money, although those things certainly help. But there are other factors that are just as important, and we're going to talk about all of them today. So, if you're ready to learn how to drive women wild, then let's get started. Number 1. Confidence. The first thing that drives women wild is confidence. Women love a man who is sure of himself and knows what he wants. When a man exudes confidence, it's incredibly attractive to women. They want to be with someone who is strong and can take charge. Now, confidence doesn't mean being arrogant or full of yourself. It means having faith in your abilities and being comfortable in your own skin. When a man is confident, it shows in his body language, the way he talks, and the way he carries himself. So, if you want to drive women wild, work on your confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't be afraid to show it. Number 2. Sense of humor. The second thing that drives women wild is a sense of humor. Women love a man who can make them laugh. It shows that he doesn't take himself too seriously and that he's fun to be around. A good sense of humor is also a sign of intelligence. It takes wit and quick thinking to be able to come up with jokes and make people laugh. So, if you want to drive women wild, work on your sense of humor. Watch comedies, read funny books, and practice telling jokes. You'll be surprised at how attractive a good sense of humor can be. Number 3. Kindness. The third thing that drives women wild is kindness. Women love a man who is kind and compassionate. When a man is kind, it shows that he cares about others and is empathetic to their needs. Kindness also shows that a man is secure in his masculinity. It takes a strong man to be kind and gentle, and women appreciate that. So, if you want to drive women wild, be kind. Show empathy to others, be polite, and be generous with your time and resources. Women will notice and appreciate your kindness. Number 4. Intelligence. The fourth thing that drives women wild is intelligence. Women love a man who is smart and knowledgeable. When a man is intelligent, it shows that he is curious about the world and is constantly learning. Intelligence is also a sign of confidence. When a man is intelligent, he can hold his own in a conversation and is not afraid to express his opinions. So, if you want to drive women wild, work on your intelligence. Read books, watch documentaries, and engage in intellectual conversations. You'll be surprised at how attractive intelligence can be. Number 5. Passion. The fifth thing that drives women wild is passion. Women love a man who is passionate about something. When a man is passionate, it shows that he has drive and ambition. Passion is also contagious. When a man is passionate, he can inspire others and make them feel alive. So, if you want to drive women wild, find your passion. Whether it's music, sports, or art, pursue it with all your heart. Women will be drawn to your passion and energy. Number 6. Confidence in bed. The sixth thing that drives women wild is confidence in bed. Women love a man who is confident and skilled in the bedroom. When a man knows what he's doing and is comfortable with his sexuality, it's incredibly attractive to women. Confidence in bed comes from experience and practice. It's important to communicate with your partner and learn what they like and don't like. When you know how to please your partner, it shows that you're attentive and caring. So, if you want to drive women wild, be confident in bed. Take the time to learn about your partner's body and needs, and don't be afraid to try new things. Number 7. Emotional intelligence. The seventh thing that drives women wild is emotional intelligence. Women love a man who is emotionally intelligent and understands his own feelings as well as the feelings of others. When a man can empathize and communicate effectively, it's incredibly attractive to women. Emotional intelligence is important in all aspects of life, not just relationships. It's about being able to regulate your emotions and respond appropriately to different situations. So, if you want to drive women wild, work on your emotional intelligence. Practice self-awareness and empathy, and learn to communicate effectively. Number 8. A sense of style. The 8th thing that drives women wild is a sense of style. Women love a man who dresses well and takes care of his appearance. When a man looks good, it shows that he values himself and takes pride in his appearance. A sense of style doesn't have to be expensive or trendy. It's about finding clothes that fit well and flatter your body type. It's also important to groom yourself and take care of your hygiene. So, if you want to drive women wild, take care of your appearance. Invest in clothes that fit well and make you feel confident, and take the time to groom yourself. Number 9. Romantic gestures. The 9th thing that drives women wild is romantic gestures. Women love a man who is thoughtful and romantic. When a man goes out of his way to do something special for his partner, it shows that he cares and is attentive. Romantic gestures don't have to be grand or expensive. It's the thought that counts. It could be something as simple as bringing her favorite food or flowers, or planning a surprise date night. So, if you want to drive women wild, be romantic. Take the time to do something special for your partner and show them how much you care. Number 10. Being yourself. The 10th and final thing that drives women wild is being yourself. Women love a man who is authentic and true to himself. When a man is comfortable in his own skin, it's incredibly attractive to women. Being yourself means being honest about your thoughts and feelings, and not trying to be someone you're not. When you're genuine, it shows that you have integrity and self-respect. So, if you want to drive women wild, be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, and don't pretend to like things just to impress someone else. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The 10 things that drive women wild. If you want to attract women and make them go crazy for you, focus on these qualities. Remember to be confident, have a sense of humor, be kind and compassionate, be intelligent, have passion, be confident in bed, have emotional intelligence, have a sense of style, be romantic, and most importantly, be yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Antrix Media for more great content. We'll see you next time.